Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation, Calvin Russell here. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about why we just got to stop trying to buy essentially a credit score, okay? I see, what I've been seeing lately is that a lot of people, when I'm looking at credit reports, when we do free credit report evaluations, which you guys have been doing, like scheduling so many of them, so which is good. We always try to see, if we can help as many people possible. So if you haven't seen the link down at the bottom, you've probably seen it up here at the top to schedule your free credit report evaluation. So what we're seeing a lot of people doing, especially people that like watch credit videos on YouTube and things of that sort, which is fine. The problem is that everyone is just kind of just throwing money at stuff, right? And you may watch a video and someone says, hey, go get my jeweler's club, which I'm against, by the way. None of my clients get my jeweler's club, but that's a whole nother video. So and there's reasons behind that, and I explain it to my clients why I don't use it. But again, you watch a video where someone promotes it, and there's so many ways to build credit. I don't want to make it seem like my way is like the best way or the only way. You decide how you want to do it. I just try to get my clients the same result or a better result without having to spend any money or as much money, if that makes sense. And that's why I see so many people are just buying. For example, you may watch a video where someone says, hey, go get my jeweler's club. Sure enough, you go get it, right? That's fine. The problem is that you watch another video and someone says, hey, go get a secure credit card. And then you go do that, right? Then you say, well, no, this guy's got trade lines. Well, then you go do that. Then when the algorithm can't figure out what the hell you're doing, and you say, forget this whole credit thing, and you go get a CPN, right? So here's the problem, is that no matter what you do, you have to understand that this is an algorithm. It has to take a look at everything that you're doing and assess that information and then give you a score. So if you're in the 300s, 400s, 500s, no matter what there is a way to do it a right way to get a certain result, but no matter how much money you throw at stuff, when you're in that, that's like the most sensitive space that you can be in, because your credit report is looking for certain types of activity. But the problem is that no matter how much money you throw at it, you can't accelerate it like you want it to. Don't get me wrong. If you add a trade line, preferably, hopefully, if I'm not even gonna go into that, but if you add a trade line and you get that boost, right? You get that nice score jump. You say to yourself, okay, maybe if I get another one, I'll get a nice boost, right? And it just doesn't work like you have to learn it, because everyone doesn't have the financial power that you do, and you're just trying to just throw money at it. Credit is not supposed to be built like that. There's nothing wrong with doing something like that, but credit is not supposed to be built like that, because you haven't become that person. So when you apply for the bigger banks and the prestigious credit cards, they're going to see that that's not really you. You just have just a score. And then that score is inflated because you haven't built that. You bought that. I hope this is making sense. You can't just throw money at stuff. And then, because I talked to a guy the other day, clients all the time, of course. And, potential clients, things of that sort. I talk to people every day. But this particular guy, I just noticed, I'm like, dude, you just spent like all this money. He got a secure credit card. He put like $1,000 down on that, which, by the way, whether you get a $200 limit credit card or a $1,000 limit credit card, well, of course, secured, why would you put that much money in there? When someone says, well, I want to be able to use a certain amount of money. Well, I get it, but don't forget the purpose of a secure credit card. A secure credit card has one job. That's to help you qualify for an unsecured card, people. Come on. That's the goal. And you can't keep, throwing all this money at it, assuming that, hey, if I got $2,000, I'm gonna put this on a secure credit card so I can have a $2,000 credit card limit. You do know it shows on your credit report that it's a secure credit card. You do understand that, so most secure credit cards, they indicate that it's a secure credit card on your credit report. So you're not fooling anybody. So, and not that it's a bad thing, but again, they still know that it's not yours. So you can get that same result if you just have a $200 limit credit card. I think we talked about that, before. So, but either way, I just want to throw that out there. It's not throwing money if you hire someone to help you, of course, right? Like 850. But at the same time, it's just a matter of you have to be coached on how to do this stuff. If that's what you're going to do. If you're just going to spend money and throw jello on the wall, at least have someone walk you through the process and how it should be. Okay? But either way, I just wanted to just break that down to you guys. So hopefully if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And be sure to subscribe. It's got a lot more great content on the way. Don't throw money at this stuff, guys. There are professional people that can help you, like my team and I. And if you're going to throw money at it, at least hire a coach to make sure that we're at the right place. Because what if you're throwing too much money at something and you can get the same result spending less than what you're spending? There are other options out there. Call us. We can help you. Have a good one.